Super Easy Drawings. Hello kids, welcome on Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color a rainbow tree. Let's get started. Let's learn how to draw a tree. I start with its trunk, then its branches, and its leaves. I draw a snail shape here onto the trunk. Finally, I draw some apples onto the tree. And a little grass onto the ground. Now, I'm going to use a thick black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. I color the trunk brown, then I use dark green for the leaves. For the coloring of the apples, I am going to use the colors of the rainbow: red, orange, yellow, light green, and light blue. Finally, I use this light green marker for the grass. Wow, it looks great! If you like this video, do not hesitate to like it and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.